Well, here we are, back with another guest. My second guest today is Carla Schneider.
Hi.
Carla Schneider is with the Holmen Area Civic and Commerce Association today.
Yes.
that's your hat today. And Carla is going to tell us about a wonderful new event that's being planned that she's chair of. You want to tell us about this?
Sure. It's Holmen's Hometown Christmas, and it'll take place Saturday, December 10th from 4 to 7 at the Halfway Creek Park in Holmen. The events we have planned, we have different choirs from the community coming in. We have the Halfway Creek Lutheran Church Choir. We have 5th grades from the Viking and Prairie View Elementary coming. We have Joyful Sound, and we also have members of the Coulee Region Gospel Choir. They're going to perform. And then we have a special guest, which is Santa, that's going to be in the shelter house. So he'll be in there greeting the children as they come in and chatting with them.
And how is Santa going to get there?
Well, we're working on a fire truck. So he's taking time out of his busy schedule, and he's going to come down for the evening to see the kids in Holmen. So
I think that's going to be an exciting time because, you know, we've had Santa in a bank or this and that, but it wasn't a community-sponsored event. And I think that having all the businesses, you know, getting behind this program is just going to be great. It's really exciting. Of course, I'm excited at the fact that we now have an evergreen planted in Halfway Creek Park. It was donated through the Lions and Lioness Clubs in memory of Palmer and Hazel Olson, who were lifelong residents of Holmen. Their families are still involved in the community. And in the spring, they'll be adding a granite bench close to that tree with their name on it. And I think that's wonderful. But this tree will become our village tree. And it's located in a spot that you can see it from several places coming down Main Street. And I think it's going to, as it grows, it's going to be a great addition to this type of program that you're going to put on. I understand you're going to have some of the local groups do some food type things.
Yep, we have Girl Scout Troop 4316 from Holmen. They're going to be selling their cookies, and they'll gift wrap them if people like that. We have the Interact Club, which is a high school and Rotary group that are going to be selling chili. And then we have Halfway Creek Lutheran Church is going to be doing homemade cookies, note cards. They have raffle tickets for a quilt that they're doing. For Hope is a dog rescue organization out of West Salem. They're coming in and they're bringing Santa Paws and 2 little helpers. And then they have light up leashes, dog toys, treats for your dogs for Christmas. And they'll also have people treats too. So that'll be kind of nice. And then last night, the TLC Center, it was in Holmen. I talked to Chris with their organization. They're going to be there, and they're going to be collecting food, clothes, pretty much anything that's really needed this time of year. They're going to be collecting those items there. And then they're also going to be handing out toys and books to the children.
Wonderful.
So it's a really good organization.
And somebody in that little mix there is going to have hot chocolate.
Yep, we have hot chocolate, Halfway Creek Lutheran Church.
Oh, that'll be with their cookies and stuff.
Yep, cookies and hot chocolate.
I just think that, this is the first time that we've done anything like that in our community. I think it's wonderful. I hear a little buzz, coming from some of the businesses that I think, part of the planning was to have the businesses have sales that day? Tied in with having a holiday Christmas?
We were going to do that, but we wanted to focus and make this a real big event first and kind of get the buzz going about the Holmen Hometown Christmas event itself, and then we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we have lots of people that show up, and then next year we'll just kind of keep adding. So next year we might look into more of a business and make it kind of a whole day kind of thing.
And I know that you're not only going to decorate Shelter A, which is where Santa is going to be. You're going to have a fire in the fireplace there. There's a natural fireplace in there, and it'll just kind of take the chill off of that building. But you're going to decorate with lights.
We're going to put lights throughout the park, and then the tree that was just planted is going to be kind of the tree for the night, and Santa's going to light that for us. So, and then we'll have a little portable bonfire pit kind of in front of the band shell.
Okay.
So as people are, watching listening to the choirs, they can kind of keep warm with that too. So.
Cool. This
And all
is
the
really
goodies.
exciting. I mean,
Yeah.
I love the holidays. I really
Yeah.
do. I'm one of these people that even when I have my birthday, I celebrate for a week. Hey, come
We
on.
have to.
It's a milestone, and at my age,
Exactly.
it's really a milestone. But I think it's a wonderful new thing to do for the community. HACA, Holmen Area Civic and Commerce Association, has been in existence a long time, and they have, at different times, different years, done some nice projects, but I think this is going to be the one that's going to top them, We were able to get lights, decorative
Yes.
LED lights for you to use through the sponsorship of Rotary Lights in La Crosse.
Yes, that was huge.
And that will be coordinated into the village lighting program. We'll use it every year in the park. And then the 21st of November, the week of Thanksgiving, the fire department, in cooperation with the Holmen Rotary Club, will be putting up Christmas lights in town. The
Oh, nice.
lighted fixtures that go on the light poles and the garlands, and so that'll start this whole process off and get us into the holiday mood. By the time we get to the 10th of December, everybody's going to be all hyped up.
Yes.
It'll be fun. I think the kids are going to be really excited about
Yeah.
this, And it's all, I'm not a miracle worker, and neither are you, but I mean, we're hoping we have a little snow, but not 3 foot on the ground.
And if we do, we're still having it. So.
And that's part of the mystique of living in the Midwest.
Yeah.
It's snowing today. Probably won't accumulate to a lot, but it's part of where we live.
Yeah.
And it's part of the Christmas seasons. So I think, Carla, you are doing a super job of sharing this project, and
Thank you.
and I'm happy to see other business people coming out, getting involved and helping, and I think it's just going to be a fun day.
Yeah. it's
And
gonna
I
be a
think the
good time.
kids are going to be really excited to get to see Santa
Yep.
and have a place where they can get in if it's snowing. That
Yeah.
they can, go into the shelter house there, and that shelter house is big enough that there'll be plenty of room that people
Yep.
can stand in there too.
Yeah.
But I think that you've put some wonderful ideas on the table, and I think that seeing them come to fruition is going to be a great new event for the Village of Holmen. And I thank you for all your work.
Thank you.
Very good. Thanks for coming to it and visiting with us today.
Thank you.
So stay tuned and we'll have announcements.